everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for always coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, if I know you by name, I'll just do something for you, but I'm super grateful that you're always coming back and watching these videos, supporting, sharing, and doing all that. I'm so honored and humble at the same time. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome back. Here the vibes are cool. We don't, it's a good channel to join. So please subscribe and share the videos. And also, if you want to learn more, you always subscribe. You always press that notification bell. Every time we post, then you're ready to, get the content, So thank you all for subscribing. We are growing, and that's something positive. The more you watch, the more you subscribe, the more you share, the more you motivate me to give you a lot of food, to feed you and to cheer you at the end of the day. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can also follow me there, and we could be talking. I could be answering some of your questions, and all that. So I was drinking this hot water. It's still chilly morning, midday, and it's supposed to be spring, all the vibe, but I tend to call this season of this year at this time period sprinter, because why are we having spring at the same time winter? So it's quite chilly outside. It's a little bit cold, should be warm, something opposite or different, but we are grateful. It's a new day. We have to be grateful. We have to keep going despite everything. So I'll go straight to today's title. Like you all of you saw the thumbnail and also the short description about this video. It's, if I can break it, it's more like if you want, this is to all people, could be from Africa, from Asia, from America, from even Europe, from all continents of the world. So if you're planning to move abroad from all these different continents of the world, today I have tea for you. And like I said, you have to subscribe in order to get these tips. I'm going to give you tips that will make the process easier for you. And I've started this series, I can call it a series, and I'll be giving you different breakdown episodes every Wednesday. I hope I'll be that consistent. Your wish is my command. The more you watch, the more I'll be, motivated to give you a lot and more. So on these different episodes, we are basically going to discuss, from the first, like a beginner, like going to an international school to learn like a different language. I'm going to give it from like the first procedure. If you're stuck, I'm going to help you with the first procedure, going onwards, like how easy it's gonna be for you until the end of it. So the episodes basically will be from the process, the beginning process, like let's say the trying to find schools, the documents you need, the type of questions you're being asked at the embassy, what to expect, the culture, the fun you can have here in terms of accommodation, finances, the type of school to choose. It's going to be a series with different types of episodes. And on these episodes, I will always be answering your question, the ones that I have at hand. And of course, if you'll have more questions, I'm going to help you break down this barrier. So it's an easy process for you, and if you're really planning to come, then I hope this is going to help you, and also many other of your friends and every other person. So I will drop my Instagram page on the description box and also on the screen. If you will have more questions in regard to this, you can always feel free to ask me on my Instagram page, because I feel like the comment section might be, you know, too public for you, and you want this in a private forum. So I'll link down my Instagram page, and you can always feel free to ask me a question, and I will always be answering you. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's enough for the introduction in regards to this thumbnail that you saw there, as well as the description, as well as the good news that I had for y'all. So I don't want to be like, you know, you ask me something on my IG or, you know, my social media platforms, and you feel like I'm ignoring you. You know, I felt like it's good because everybody gets to ask me all these questions. So I'm like, okay, let me share this to every other person except the ones who are always on my DM, so that everybody can, you know, get this and think if they can consider moving to this country, Poland, and I think at large Europe, because the system might be similar. So yeah, it's gonna help you all. That's enough for today. And also remember to share all of this video, watch all of my videos, and feel entertained. Yeah, you know, I'm so impressed about the audience that you're growing. So if you're new here, please go there, watch everything, feel free, and yeah. So hope you enjoyed this new big announcement. And also, I hope it's going to be helpful to you. If not you, then your family or your sibling or your friend, any other person that's on your way that really is or has always wanted to know the secret behind, you know, wanting to move abroad. Because I feel like this is a dream for so many people. And yeah, if I'm this one person that's gonna help you, you know, that's gonna help you fulfill your dream, then I'm honored, you know, I'm really honored. So I don't want to speak so much, but thank you so much for all of my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, and also thank you for sharing my content. I would give a billion shout out to the few that I know, but you know yourselves. Thank you so much. Big ups to you. And yeah, let's keep doing this. You know, support is one of the most important thing. And yeah, if you're here to support each other, we don't lose anything, but in real terms, we are gaining a lot. And this is the happiness, this is the peace that everybody wants to hear. So that's it for today. I didn't have much to say. It was just an introduction video. I hope you have learned something, and it's gonna be helpful to you and to every other person. So hopefully you're going to be consistent. Hopefully this is going to help you, and yeah, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end, and I love you all. If I would really give you gifts, I will, but for today, I love you all. Thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching. Until next time, peace. Bye.